What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. What?
Huge fish over there that started out.
Oh, get them. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Tim Kidwell Outdoors. We're here at a different pond. Tyler's been here before, and we're hoping to catch some mondos. Fingers crossed we do. All right, guys, let's get fishing. You guys won't believe this. I caught maybe a 12-inch fish, thinking I have it on camera, so I didn't get any pictures of it with my phone. I completely forgot to put a battery in the GoPro, so sorry you guys didn't get to see that. How about I start using these for a while? There we go. Got a good one. All right, finally, guys. Yes, caught a nice one. Took forever. This is my second fish. First one on the chatterbait tonight. Yes. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put him back. See you, buddy. I'll tell you what, guys, the chatterbait doesn't get a lot of bites, but it definitely gets some good bites. All right, I'm gonna get back fishing. Dang it. Okay. Come here, buddy. Wow. You're a nice one, too. Hey there. Hi. Okay. This is a good one. Okay. Yeah, guys, I knew that there would be something right over by that tree, and this actually is just a little bit bigger than the last fish that I caught. So my first fish I caught was on a worm. My second one obviously was on a chatterbait, and this one was on the worm. So they're definitely wanting a variety of different things. So that's pretty cool. All right, buddy. I'll see you later. Yeah. All right, guys. While there's still a little bit of sun out, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Tim Kidwell Outdoors. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a like, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the very next episode of Tim Kidwell Outdoors. Later.